Today we're tackling a topic that's near and dear to my heart: pet stains. Those little accidents can sure pack a punch when it comes to stains and odors. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm sharing my tried and true hacks for removing even the toughest pet stains. Whether it's carpets, upholstery, or even hard floors, I've got a solution for you. Get ready to say goodbye to those pesky pet stains because I'm about to share 5 game-changing hacks that will have you tackling those messes like a pro. We'll dive into the magic of baking soda, the power of enzyme cleaners, and even some natural solutions using ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Let's kick things off with a true cleaning hero: baking soda. This pantry staple is about to become your new best friend when it comes to pet stains. You see, baking soda is amazing at absorbing odors, which is exactly what we need for those smelly pet accidents. To show you what I mean, let's do a little experiment. Here, I have a small pile of, well, let's just call it pet waste. Now, watch what happens when I sprinkle baking soda on top. See how the baking soda starts to absorb the moisture and neutralize the odor? It's like magic. For this, we'll create a simple paste using baking soda and a little bit of water. Apply a generous layer of the paste over the stain, making sure to cover the entire area. Once the time's up, simply vacuum up the dried paste and voila! Your carpet will be looking and smelling much fresher. Next up, we're talking enzyme cleaners. These cleaners might sound a little intimidating, but trust me, they're incredibly effective when it comes to pet stains and odors. Enzyme cleaners work by breaking down the organic matter that causes stains and smells, like pet waste and vomit. To really see the difference, I've prepared a stain sample on the carpet. We'll treat one side with an enzyme cleaner and leave the other untreated. Now let's fast forward a few hours and see the results. The stain treated with the enzyme cleaner has practically vanished. The enzyme cleaner has completely broken down the organic matter, leaving the carpet looking good as new. Enzyme cleaners are safe to use on a variety of surfaces, including carpets, upholstery, and even hard floors. Now, for those of you who prefer a more natural approach, I've got some great news. You can tackle pet stains effectively using ingredients you probably already have in your pantry. Let's start with vinegar, a natural powerhouse when it comes to cleaning and deodorizing. To create a simple vinegar solution, mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. This solution works wonders on hardwood floors. Simply spray the affected area generously and wipe clean with a damp cloth. Another natural stain-fighting champion is hydrogen peroxide. This handy solution is particularly effective on blood and other protein-based stains. However, it's important to use hydrogen peroxide with caution, as it can bleach certain fabrics. Always test it on an inconspicuous area first. Now, while we've covered some amazing stain removal hacks, let's not forget that prevention is always the best approach. We've all been there. You turn your back for a second, and your furry friend has already had an accident. But the key is to act fast. The sooner you address the mess, the easier it will be to remove the stain and odor. Of course, pet training plays a crucial role in preventing accidents in the first place. Consistent training, positive reinforcement, and establishing a regular potty routine can work wonders. And while we strive for perfect potty training, accidents can still happen. Consider using pet-proof covers on furniture, placing mats or rugs in high-traffic areas, and investing in enzymatic cleaners for quick cleanups. There you have it, 5 game-changing pet stain removal hacks that will have your home looking and smelling fresh in no time. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. 1. Baking soda, your secret weapon for absorbing odors and lifting stains. 2. Enzyme cleaners, the science-backed solution for breaking down organic matter. 3. Natural solutions, vinegar and hydrogen peroxide for effective, eco-friendly cleaning. 4. Prevention is key, training your pet and using protective measures. 5. Act fast. The sooner you address accidents, the easier they are to clean. You know, creating a home you love is all about embracing the imperfections, especially with our furry family members. Those little accidents are just a part of life, and with these simple hacks, you can tackle them with confidence and keep your home feeling fresh and inviting. Remember, it's not about striving for perfection, but about creating a space where everyone, even our four-legged friends, feels loved and welcome. Leave us a comment below telling us which is your favorite hack. Thanks for stopping by today, and we'll see you in the next episode.